This striking ring you're looking at is Manicouagan Crater, one of the most dramatic impact scars on Earth. Formed around 214 million years ago, this colossal structure was created when a massive asteroid slammed into what is now central Quebec, releasing energy equivalent to that of millions of nuclear bombs. The impact excavated a crater nearly 100 kilometers wide, making it one of the largest and best preserved impact structures on the planet. What makes Manicouagan especially unique is its near-perfect circular shape. Over time, erosion removed much of the original crater rim, but the impact's central uplift, rock that rebounded upward immediately after the collision, remains clearly visible from space. Today, that uplift is surrounded by the Manicouagan Reservoir, a ring-shaped lake that fills the ancient crater basin and enhances the site's iconic Eye of Earth appearance. This feature isn't just visually stunning, it's scientifically important. Rocks from Manicouagan have been found as far away as Europe, helping scientists link the impact to a period of global ecological disruption near the late Triassic era. Some researchers even suspect it may have been part of a chain of impacts that affected life on Earth long before the dinosaurs vanished. In the modern era, humans have turned this ancient catastrophe into a resource. The reservoir is part of a major hydroelectric system, contributing significant renewable energy to Quebec's power grid. Multiple dams harness the water flowing through this prehistoric scar, making Manicouagan a rare example of deep-time geology intersecting with modern infrastructure. This photograph was captured from the International Space Station, orbiting 263 miles above Earth, where the crater stands out sharply against Canada's cold, dry winter landscape. Snow and ice accentuate the circular geometry, revealing a cosmic reminder that Earth's surface and its history has been shaped by forces far beyond our planet. From violent impact to clean energy, Manicouagan is a powerful reminder that even the most destructive events can leave behind enduring beauty and value. For more incredible views of Earth from space and the hidden stories behind them, subscribe to the channel and explore our planet like you've never seen it before.